Hello all, my name is Ruchi and I am from Australia. Today I am here to talk about this wonderful Forex course by our fantastic and amazing teacher Mr. Sadali. So to just give you a bit of my background, I came to know about Forex in 2008 but did not felt confident enough to open up a real trading account other than the demo. Fast forward to 2021, I started to look into cryptocurrency but was not comfortable to trade as I have no experience in trading and also the volatility it brings with it. I started to look for online forex courses and found this course, Forex for Beginners Academy, absolutely free. Well, of course, nothing in today's world comes for free, right? And was skeptical about it. I still went ahead, joined the course, and I thank my stars that I did because it's true, the whole course is free. Satsa is an amazing teacher. He teaches you technical analysis, how to open up the trading account, Fibonacci retracements, trend lines, support and resistance, moving averages, risk management, mindset training. We also have this amazing online community on Facebook where all the experienced members and Satsa is always there to support your progress. So if you want to learn professional training, all you have to do is join Forex for Beginners Academy. It has helped me heaps and I'm sure it will help you too. Thank you.